something weird is happening with the iPhone 17 Pro. And it's not just a bigger camera. Leaked images just surfaced, and they reveal a design shift Apple's been hiding. A strange new cutout, unexpected materials, and a feature that might finally come to the base iPhone. Yeah, this changes everything. Here's the latest update. A couple of days ago, unclear images hinted at a major redesign planned for 2025. Now, fresh photos have shown up, unveiling a variety of surprises. All the latest iPhone 17 models still possess that familiar MagSafe system, the convenient ring of magnets that makes charging easier. However, if you look closely at the Pro versions, you'll notice a unique detail. These elongated wide camera sections that truly set them apart. Let's take a brief sidestep. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max reveal a distinct cutout in the MagSafe area. There are whispers that the frame could be metal, perhaps aluminum this time, paired with a sleek glass panel. Imagine this. The added metal gives the phone a solid, premium feel, while the glass ensures smooth wireless charging. Meanwhile, both the standard iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air adhere to tradition with their all-glass backs, just like before. Additionally, there are rumors that even the basic iPhone 17 could feature a promotion display. This ultra-smooth, highly responsive screen has only been available on the Pro models until now. Just think about how animations and transitions will flow effortlessly. It's like everything melds beautifully together. For all the selfie enthusiasts, there's even more thrilling news. Each model in the iPhone 17 lineup is expected to upgrade from a 12-megapixel front camera to a remarkable 24 megapixels. This means your selfies, video calls, and all your pictures will be more detailed than ever. Plus, the extra resolution gives you ample room for cropping or editing your photos while retaining those treasured details. And there's a little extra treat. The Pro models might also come with an additional 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. The new A19 and A19 Pro chips, made using TSMC's cutting-edge 3-nanometer process, known as N3P, are designed to ensure everything operates smoothly and efficiently. As we gear up for a September launch, I'm truly looking forward to seeing how these exciting features will come together. What about you? Which upgrade are you most thrilled about? Share your opinions in the comments, and if you're as excited as I am to discover what's next, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on this journey into the future of iPhones together.